On today's episode of MotoCheez.
The whole rear end's touching up here.
Last few days to ride are getting numbered. Got the XL250, the Tdub 200, Magician behind us, and the other, what is that? The other Tdub. And the DRZ400. It's like 80 degrees out today. I missed the power of the DRZ400. I lowered mine down like 2 inches. I dropped the forks here and I adjusted the links. You know, I got adjustable links in the back. Now it's about the size of a Hawk 250 or that Honda XL. They're just too tall. For trail, they're too tall.
His bike's over there.
Oh, is he? Yeah. What's up, motor rider?
Oh.
Uh-oh. Second gear even. What are they having, a barbecue? Chicken barbecue.
How we doing?
Good, you?
So you coming for some chicken?
No, I didn't even know you were having it. We're just out for a little ride. Oh, that's where he was. I should have known you were over there getting something to eat.
Right? What are you guys up there?
Just going for a ride.
Nice.
Unless you want to go.
Not really.
I didn't think I'd see you got your food and all.
Dinner and what?
I saw. I'll catch you around. Take it easy. Man, this thing is torquey. Holy shit. Rapping 845, pulling the wheelies. And that's what you got to worry about. No? Gates.
I know.
Oh yeah, he broke his front brake lever yesterday. So he's only got rear brakes. Too much?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm not trying to get off.
Nah, I don't even have gloves.
Look at him, he's left all over the place. Bumping.
Oh, got me. Motor rider in PJs. Now, even with the newer suspension on the Bras, the Hawk DLX, and the TBR7, still don't have as soft a suspension as the DRZ400. But this bike's a lot more money. It's got a longer travel. This is more set up for motocross. That's more set up for dual sport trail riding. There is a difference, but this is very tall. And being so tall kind of makes it a little more tough to trail ride. If you got a lot of rocks and you end up having to put your foot down, you're like 3 inches taller. Still like my DRZ though. I also got a camera system. I think I might end up putting it on this. I got a camera system, has a front camera, a rear camera, a little recorder with a monitor. Be a neat little addition, I think. Smells like the Camaro's brakes are dragging, or a clutch, that type of material. If I had to guess, I'd say it was a brake. You know that smell. That's right. I smell brakes.
Thing barely wants to move.
But is it tight on the pedal? Cause cause this is down. That's why. Push it down. Push that pedal down for me. Wow, that's way down. That's why it locks them up when they get hot. We're gonna need a 10mm. That must have worked itself down. That's a mistake a lot of people make with these. They put them down. Here's my toolkit. Been a long time. I was smelling it. Here.
Alright.
That thing must have been vibrating down the whole time. Oh yeah, look.
That's good.
Yeah. Well, now it's the oil is so friggin' hot. It's just there's nothing there.
Hit it, Mama. Hit the brake.
No, it's all boiled. It'll go back. I explained that in one of my videos. There's a valve that it has to come back up to go into that reservoir, or else it'll do this. So it's good that you showed that. Thanks, Bill. I'm glad you showed that. A real life reenactment. You might not have back brakes until that thing cools off, though. People put them down because they hit their foot on it and they're like, oh, it's too high.
That's what will happen, folks.
That's exactly what will happen.
Yeah, just try not to use the back brakes as much.
They'll be fine now once they cool off.
If you ain't first, you're last. You know?
And that's what happens, folks. Magician has over 10,000 miles on it, boys and girls. Yes, it does. We switched it to a digital dash, but I got the original speedometer that came off of it with 9,600 miles, I believe. That's right. Keep her on the road. Hang on to it. Well, that was a fun little jaunt through the back roads of Connecticut. Thanks for riding along. We got a little race between a couple Z50s and an XR70. Boy, that smells good. I might have to get the wife and go back there for dinner. She runs good. Plug it in, plug it in. I'm gonna do a little race.
Wait. So, it's like a race?
I hope I win.
I don't know. I think my 88's gonna win.
Got me all day long, bud.
You think so?
Oh, yeah. We'll see what happens. Alright, the count of three. One. Are you gonna race? 1, 2, 3.
Go!
My third gear's got him. Oh man, maybe. Is it?
Pretty low.
I don't know. Try choking it? Suck up with dirt or something? Must be no spark. I can smell fuel. Want me to get a rope?
Why not?
Z50 rescue. Probably the points. You didn't like going time.
Oh, I went towards him. I'll push the rest right now.
So you had me until you ran out of gear.
Yeah.
And then I pulled on you from having higher gear.
The torque has it all day.
Oh yeah. If that was geared higher, what about you, Chris?
I think it's slow.
I thought that was as fast as this originally, but oh well. So the Z50 wins in a short run, and the XR70 wins in a long run because of gears.
Yeah.
And the original 50 is slower than all of them. So the 88 kit is good.
Yeah, I agree.
And now for a little extra bonus treat from the Twisted Tea Tracker. it stalls.
Oh yeah, he is. Got it.
That was a nice one.
Yeah,
Boy,
Yeah,
Still
back
alive.
wheel broke.
fucking
the whole
man.
rear end's touching up here.
I saw
Look
it.
at.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.